Now we are going to talk about pillar inscription. Pillar inscriptions meaning when I write things on the pillars. Okay, अगर तमे लोको कुतुब मीनार जसो, अगर तमे लोको कुतुब मीनार, sorry, if you go to Taj Mahal, तो एना poles ઉપર બધી વસ્તુ લખેલી છે, right? You have your things written about Quran on it. So those are called pillar inscription. When I write things on the pillar એટલે pole, okay? થાંભલો, that is called pillar. Stone inscriptions were made from a single rock. Stone inscriptions carved out by the religious order of the Emperor Ashok are the best specimen of engraving on stone. They were polished so well that they gleamed. Such pillars were created in Ambala, Meerut, Allahabad, Sarnath, Loira near Nadanghat, Sanchi, Kashi, Patna, Bodhi Vruksha near Bodh Gaya. They were carved in Brahmini script. ઓકે, સો સ્ટોન ઇન્સ્ક્રિપ્શન્સ જે સ્ટોન ઉપર જે લખાણ હોય છે એને સ્ટોન ઇન્સ્ક્રિપ્શન્સ કહેવાય છે. ઓકે, એન્ડ ઇટ ઇઝ મેડ ફ્રોમ અ સિંગલ રોક. એક રોકની ઉપર જ યુ રાઇટ થિંગ્સ. The stone inscription were religious orders. What were religious orders? Ke if you follow this religion, you have to do this, you have to do that. Like how you have things in Quran written, right? Ki these are the laws, these are the rules, these are the regulations, all these things, right? So similarly, such religious orders were written on the stones at that point of time, and mainly it is the Emperor Ashok who gave out religious orders in the stone. Now and they were polished so well that they shined. Okay, they were polished and made so well that they were shining and they were so proper. Such pillars are there in the places, all the places you have to learn. Okay, they were carved in Brahmini script. Brahmini script is like how we have Hindi as a script. Like, right, we have Hindi letters, alphabets, we have all those things we have in Hindi, right? So similarly, there was a script which was called the Brahmini script, okay, and that was the oldest form જ્યારે જૂના જમાનામાં E script use થતી હતી, E language use થતી હતી, okay. So mainly it is written in the Brahmini script. Pillar at Sarnath. The stone inscription at Sarnath is the best specimen of sculpture. The pillar has 4 lions facing in the 4 directions. Sarnath preaching place of Lord Buddha. So now the stone inscription of Sarnath. Okay, there is a place called Sarnath, and enu je stone inscription che, right, is the best work of sculpture which is there till today. Okay, and it has 4 lions. You can see over here the 4 lions, which is also a part of Indian's national emblem. Okay, so there are 4 lions, 3 lions you can see in front, the 4th lion is in the behind, that is why you cannot see them. And why was it in Sarnath? Because Lord Buddha, when he started teaching Buddhism, when he started teaching the religion of Buddhism, he started it from Sarnath, and it was his main place to teach Buddhism. That is why this stone is found, that is why this sculpture is found over there. Dharma chakras are carved below the lion image. This chakra indicates triumph of religion. Okay, you can see down over here. Okay, it's very light in color. Okay, if you see down over, sorry, okay, if you see down over here in the picture, I will send you the Dharma Chakra. Okay, wait. So below the 4 lions there are circles which are known as Dharma Chakra. Okay, and these Dharma Chakra, what does it indicate? Triumph of religion. Triumph of religion meaning religion always wins, success of religion. Okay, that is why it is called Dharma Chakra. Why Dharma Chakra? Because it talks about religion. That is why Dharma, and it is round, that is why Chakra, and it talks about how religion is winning. Apart from this sculpture, there are elephant, horse, bullock. Okay, all these things are there, elephant, horse, bullock. This chakra has been placed in national flag of Republic India. Obviously, this emblem is there in the national flag of India. Sorry, this chakra which is there is in the national flag of India, right? So આપણે અગર આપણું national flag જોઈએ તો first is your saffron color, then you have white, and then you have green. વચ્ચે જે blue color નું તમને દેખાય ને round with the lines over there, that is the Ashok chakra or the Dharma chakra which is there in this lion. Okay, that is placed in our Indian Republic flag. Image of 4 lions have been placed as a national emblem. Okay, now this image of the four lion is considered as a national emblem of India. Emblem means a symbolic object as a distinctive badge of nation. It is like a sign which tells us, oh, we are talking about India. Okay, it's a very precious sign which we take apart and which we have given lot of importance in India. That is why it is a national emblem. This is considered to be one of the best specimens of sculpture in the world, in the whole world. This is like the best specimen of sculpture which is there. Okay.